So this is the falls at Falls Park in Sioux Falls. This is in South Dakota. Sioux is French for snake. So Snake Falls, or Snake Waterfall, Snake River. You see that foam right there? So we like to be out here. We out here in the outdoors, the fresh outdoors. It's a lovely day, even though it's spring. Well, it's still like winter. We're approaching spring, but it's always nice to get some fresh air, be out with nature, and just enjoy it, man. Just enjoy it. Got my little get up on. Loving it, man. This is what it's about. Can't beat it. Peace, love, smiles, truth, galaxy. I'll be paying a visit out to this area a lot more, and I actually like this backdrop, so I might use this for a lot of different videos in the future. Planning on doing a lot of traveling this year, and this is I like South Dakota. I like the Dakotas. They got Theodore Roosevelt National Park in North Dakota. You got Devil's Tower in South Dakota, Badlands, the Black Hills, Mount Rushmore. Yellowstone National Park is in Wyoming. Glacier National Park is in Montana. Doing the Smoky Mountains in Tennessee this month. So I'm gonna be doing a lot of outdoor traveling and do some videos for you all. Peace, love, smiles, truth, galaxy. We'll talk to you soon. Have a lovely day.